Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be doing something new. I'm going to be revamping my old wig and turning it into this lovely wig from this trash. Okay, so I had this wig for probably over a year now, and I stored it and stuffed it in my closet for almost a year just because I had glue gunned the tracks in when I made this wig, and after about a week or so the tracks just started falling out. Okay, so I didn't even care to fix it. I just threw it in my closet and bought a new one. Look at those tracks just hanging. And this lace is pretty good. It's just dirty and old. I didn't even care to wash the wig when I stored it in my closet for months on end, and I'm gonna fix that now. So I'm gonna be using 70% isopropyl alcohol and an old rag to clean the lace and clean all the glue and old product residue off of the lace before I go ahead and wash it. And you want to make sure that you use an old rag as opposed to, you know, a paper towel or some tissue or cotton ball, because that lint or the cotton lint will rub off on that lace and it will get meshed up with that old product, and you will just have a dirty, cakey, linty lace. So you want to use an old rag, one, because it's reusable, two, it doesn't leave lint, and it definitely rubs all of the product off effectively. Okay, so now I'm gonna get right into washing it, and I'm gonna use this silicone mix. I think it was like a Moroccan type of flavor, but it's silicone mix nonetheless. And any silicone mix flavor, I'm sorry, I can't think of the word, but any type of silicone mix products will be really good for virgin hair and human hair wigs, just because the silicone in the products helps create some type of lubricating barrier on these hair strands and makes the hair just cooperate. So I use silicone mix shampoo, and I actually didn't use the matching conditioner because I ran out, so I used Aussie's 3-minute moisture conditioner instead. And I'm telling y'all, that conditioner also works very, very well on your real hair and wig hair. So I just went ahead and used that just because that's all I had left, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. Okay, so after washing all of the product and old residue out of the hair, this is when I really revamped this wig, y'all. So like I said, I had hot glue gunned these tracks into this wig thinking I was making a wig, and boy was I wrong. These tracks started falling right out of my head while it was on my head after like a week. So instead of just fixing it up and re-gluing them, I actually did re-glue some of the tracks, and I just gave up because they still kept falling out. I just threw it in my closet. So here I am actually going to just take the time out to sew all these tracks right back in my head. I mean, not my head, but the wig's head. And you'll see me just probably pulling the tracks right out. Like I'm telling y'all, these tracks just literally pulled right out. The wig held nothing, and I just sewed them all back in. So after I sewed everything in, one shot I did not film was I actually went back and rinsed out this hair because I kind of still had some conditioner and product in the hair. So I went and rinsed it out again thoroughly, and I let the lace run under the water so that all the hair was pushed back. And I'm telling y'all, this Nairobi wrap foam is literally the business. It literally held all of the hair in place. When I use other wrap foam products, they're literally like water to me. Like they don't hold anything and they just make everything wet and sticky. But this product, I heard about it on YouTube, and it's really, really good. Like it held those hairs in place and it literally cooperated with me. So I used this wrap foam to brush all the hair back just so I can get a view of that hairline to see what I'm working with. So this is just me brushing all of the hair back and making sure that it's trained to just be slicked back. And you want to start molding the hair to be slicked back while it's wet. When I rinsed the wig out again, I actually ran the front of the lace in the water so that the hairs would flow backwards, and then I brushed the hairs backwards while it was running water on it because it helps just mold the hair. And then I went ahead and used the wrap foam on damp hair to furthermore slick it back. And this is how my hairline is looking. Like I said, I used this wig before, so I had pre-tweezed it, and I didn't want to tweeze it anymore because I have a habit of over tweezing and balding my lace fronts, so I just left it like that. And then I went ahead and blow dried the hair dry so I can get it ready for styling. And if y'all really want to be about y'all wig business, I really advise y'all to get a wig tripod for your wig so that you can just style it right there on a tripod. It makes a world of a difference. So now I'm going to just go ahead and flat iron this hair bone straight and slick it real good. I use this Paul Mitchell serum, and you only need to use a little teeny drop on each section of hair because it's very potent and very silky, and it will leave your hair nice and silky if you use the right amount, but too greasy if you use too much. And this is Pink's Glossier Spray. I got this in a package from them, and it is literally heaven sent. Guys, like, I just spray like one little spray throughout the hair and brush it and comb and rub the product in the hair, and then I use this amazing flat iron comb that I got off of Amazon. I will leave that link below, but I use that to get the hair in order so that I can flat iron it bone straight. And even if you don't want to use a lot of products on your wig hair, you don't have to. You can really just use this Luster Pink's Glosser Spray. It adds the perfect amount of shine, and it definitely eliminates frizz throughout your wear of the wig. I literally did not have to flat iron this hair for like a good 3 days, and I think that's pretty good. Although this is pretty good hair, I really don't remember where I got it from, but it was decent hair. And along with this spray and flat ironing it so detailed as I did, really kept the hair in place looking sleek and shine for a really long time. And I really did not give y'all the specs on this wig. That's because I just bought it so long ago. I really don't even remember where I got it from. When I tried to track when I probably got this hair in like my PayPal transactions history, I think I got it from a company called like Bella's Hair New York. I don't know. I'll try to confirm that in the description, but this was some pretty good hair. I got I think it's a 14-inch frontal and like 18-inch bundles. I really don't know what I was thinking, but it did layer the hair out pretty nicely. So I mean, it worked, but I don't think I would ever get a 14 in the 18-inch in the same setting again. And this is the outcome of my flat ironing. I'm just using a little bit of this glosser spray to slick down any flyaways and just to finish off this sleek look. And look at that shake, y'all. I got a few crimps in it from the flat iron, but nonetheless this hair is sleek. Like, look at that. The wave, the shake of it is just so bomb. So I just wanted to show y'all guys the outcome of my flat iron technique, and you guys should definitely try it. It will definitely guarantee get your hair nice and sleek. And everybody knows if you care about your wig being sleek, you will pull out that hot comb and start sleeking back those edges, okay? So I got out that hot comb and I set it to like the highest setting on heat and just slick back those edges just to make sure that the edges was nice and sleek. And this is the outcome once I have found the middle part that I wanted to style the wig with. So I just parted it down the middle and I just used a fine tooth comb to slick it down in the opposite directions. And I used also this Nairobi wrapping foam just to make sure all the hairs were going back in place. And then of course I probably went in with the flat iron just to make sure that every strand was slicked back. I just went through every precaution, and I suggest you do the same when you styling your wig and you want to look fleeky. And at this point, guys, it is a brand new wig. Look at that. It is flat, it's sleek, it's straight, it's soft, okay? Like, this is a brand new wig. And at this point, I'm ready for it to just, you know, style it on my head. So I went ahead and glued it on my head, guys, and I did not record that because this video will be way too long. But it is also trial and error for me. So once I get gluing my wigs on down packed, I will show you guys all the tips and tricks, the ins and outs, the pros and cons, and the do's and don'ts. But for now, thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you guys like the way this turned out. And if you like content like this, please let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel because I plan on having all types of beauty, fashion, hair, makeup videos coming for you guys. This is the outcome. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please let me know. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you want to see more content like this. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you guys in the next video. So see you soon. Bye.